Hello there! Today we'll show you how to create 5 fun cartoon faces and have supplied a sheet of the rest for you to try. You might like to create faces on these eggs and put them back into the fridge to surprise mum and dad. So let's get into it. For this project we'll be using a 12 pack of eggs and a dual tip acrylic paint pen. If you're under 12, then you can use the 1mm pen from the Graphic Fine Liner set, or even a marker from your favourite marker set. We'll also need some blue tack to hold our egg in place as we draw on it. The first one is the basic happy face. It's a good idea to start with the nose as it is relatively central, and then create the eyes. The eyes on a happy face are open and the eyebrows slope down in convex shapes. And we all know how a happy smile looks. For the mad face, the main feature is the V-shaped brow. After the nose and eyes are in, we place feature lines at the side of the eyes, and the mouth is off to the side. For the sad face, the eyes and the eyebrows slope down, and the mouth is turned down. For the surprised face, the eyes are open and the eyebrows are quite high on the head, sloping down in concave shapes. The mouth is wide open and we can see the teeth and the tongue off to the side. The last face is that cheeky face. First we create the nose and the cheeks. The right eyeball is drawn in first and then the left slightly behind it. The eyebrows slope down and are convex shaped. The mouth is a smile, but then we add a tongue. We have a bunch of other expressions if you want each egg to be different, and these are all available on a handy printout available on our website. You'll find plenty of free projects, handy tips, tricks, techniques and more on our website, so check them out while you're there. Well, we hope you had fun drawing these fun faces or picked up some tips to help you draw cartoons. We hope you stay creative and we'll see you in the next one.